If you're still managing your Etsy shop in a messy spreadsheet or a scribbled notebook, I want to show you something. I actually built a free tool specifically for Etsy digital product sellers. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through every single feature so you can start using it today. It's called Bloom and Sell. It lives in your browser, nothing to download, and it's completely free.
Hello everyone, Fiona here. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. So today I have another free app for you guys, and this one is free for anyone who signs up to my newsletter. The link is in the description box below, and what it is the Bloom and Sell Etsy shop planner. So all-in-one planner for Etsy digital product sellers. And so this is the dashboard here, and when you look across the top here, we've got dashboard, we've got my shops, and then we've got the product planner where you can plan out your next products for your shops. We've got a listing writer, which this is going to write your Etsy listings for you. You've got a sales tracker to keep track of what's selling, etc. And then you've got a trend ideas section here. So when you come in, you're going to see these, these aren't clickable, these squares here. These are just an overview of how many shops you've got, the products you've planned, your total revenue and your total sales. And yeah, I've just added in a couple of things here so you can see that, you know, it pops up here. And then you'll see all of your recent activity here, and then it gives you a few tips in here. Use keyword rich titles, upload at least 10 listing photos, renew listings regularly to boost visibility, bundle products to increase average order value, and use seasonal keywords 6 to 8 weeks in advance. So what's that saying is, for anything that's seasonal coming up, create your products 6 to 8 weeks in advance. Okay, so that's the dashboard. If we come into my shops, this is where you'll add your Etsy shops. And you know, if you've got more than one shop like I have, it can be hard managing them all and keeping up with everything, and that is actually why I created this. I wanted to create something for myself so that I could keep track of everything. And yeah, so I thought I'll just make it free for other people to use as well. So you come in here and you just enter your shop name, and it should be the name of the shop that is on Etsy, although that doesn't matter as much as your shop URL here. So the niche, we've got clip art, PNGs, printable journal kits, digital wall art, seamless pattern, and then we've got the choice of mixed or multiple niches. So if you weren't any of these, you could just put that in. So I'm just going to choose printable junk journal kits. And in here too, I can add different niches. So if anyone wants a different niche added here, just let me know. See if I can remember the just put this one in. I think that's correct. And then if you want to add any notes about your shop, just click add shop, and here is my shop, and there is a link to my shop here. So that is handy if you're you know, wanting to view your shop. A direct link there. Okay, so that's where we add our shop, and in here we have the product planner, which is actually very, very handy. I've had it in a few here that I've come up with. Whoops, that's my antivirus being annoying. It always pops up when you don't want it to. Yeah, I've got a few ideas in here, and what I would do, guys, if you're a member of my digital design club, you get the Junk Journal Studio for free, as you know, and I still am working on this. I'm still, well, it's usable, but what I mean is I'm still adding things to it and making it a little bit better in some aspects, but it's an excellent thing to use if you do like to sell junk journal printables. It is free to members of my digital design club, and my digital design club is, by the way, only $9 a month, and I'm talking Australian dollars. So if you're in the US, you're only paying $6 or $7 a month. And I have a lot of freebies like this web app that I do give to you in there. So it's worth way more, because I've seen what other people have available, and you know, they're charging for this kind of thing, whereas I am not. So you want to get in for $9 a month. Get in quite quickly, because the price actually goes up. Next week I'll be putting the price up. It's not going to be, you know, like $30 or $40 a month or anything like that, but it is going to go up from $9 a month, just because of the value that I am that I have in there. And when you use apps like this that I'm providing, how it actually works is I'm paying for your usage. Obviously it's only a little bit with this app, but some apps, you know, you're paying quite a lot for everyone else to use it. That's if you've set it up in a certain way like I have. So I'm just letting you know that, you know, that's no problem, but that's how it works. So the more that I build, you know, the more that it's going to cost me as well. So in that, I try to keep things affordable, but you know, sometimes you do have to put things up. Anyway, I digress. I'm coming in here because I wanted to show you that you know, you've got plan new product. You've also got trend ideas here, so you can come in here and get product ideas, or you could come into the Junk Journal Studio, because we have our niche finder here. Come in and click one of these niches, or you can type in your own and you just click analyze niche, and it's going to do a bit of research for you. Just takes a couple of minutes. So you can choose from these, which are sort of, these are all the most profitable niches or trending niches. We have trending, evergreen, seasonal, and the Junk Journal Studio actually puts that all in there for you. It researches what are the most trending and, you know, profitable niches at this time. But you can type in another one here if there's one you want to look at. So it's analysed the niche, and then it's given you all these ideas to niche down deeper. It just gives you so many ideas. So then what you could do is you could pick one of these where you found a really good niche here that you could niche down. For instance, I could just copy and paste this into my shop planner just to remind me that I want to have more of a look at this one, and then you can come in here and you can study it a little bit more. So we come back into the Bloom and Sell and select your shop. It's going to be a junk journal kit, and then you can put in here the date that you plan on launching it, if you like, the title of your product, And then, I'll just put the description down in here. So the title was Medieval Herb Garden Apothecary. I'll just put that in for now. And then we've got the status here. It's just an idea, or it's in progress, or it's ready to list, or it's live. So you can keep track of all your listings, for your different shops. And I find that extremely helpful, because when I have a few ideas in my head and I've got, a few on the go, I've had some in progress before or ready to list that I've completely forgotten about because, I haven't had it noted down anywhere. So this is a really handy feature here. And then you just go add to planner. And here's that new one that I've just added in there. Okay, so you can do the same obviously for your clip art and whatever you like. Now clip art, speaking of that, I'm going to bring out a clip art app as well, a separate one. Although you can do your clip art in the JunkJournal Studio. Now JunkJournal Studio, as I said, is only available to my club members, but Bloom and Sell is completely free. All you have to do is enter your email, and I'm not going to spam you, don't worry about that. And you will have access. And next we have the listing writer. So once you've created your product, put in your product type. Let's give you an example. Style, vintage, apothecary, target buyers, would be junk journalers and scrapbookers. I'll just put that in there for now. And then you might want to add features of it, like what you want added in the description, like how many files, how many pages, if it's commercial use, etc., etc. Then I'll go generate listing, and then it's going to give you your Etsy title, which you can now copy over to Etsy. Your description, you can just copy and paste over to Etsy. And it's a good description. It always adds at the bottom how to use, and then it says this is a digital product, no physical item will be shipped, and then thank you for visiting my shop, etc. So, but of course you can go in and change that to your liking. And then you get the 13 tags, and they're all ready to also copy and paste. 13 tags, copy and paste into Etsy. And it does give you a suggested price range here as well, so it's very helpful. And then we have our sales tracker. So you would come in here when you make a sale of something, you can keep track every time you make a sale. So you can sort of keep track of bestsellers and things like that in here, which is really helpful. And then we come into the trend ideas. Go and select your niche. Shall I try something different this time? Let's try clip art. And then you can choose an evergreen or spring, summer, autumn, winter, Christmas, Halloween, Valentine's Day, Easter and Mother's Day. Now also, if you want me to add to these, let me know. I've got most of the holidays, the common holidays covered here. I'm going to say summer because it is summer in your part of the world, or the US and UK. If you're watching from there, it's summer. If you're in Australia like me, it's actually winter. So summer clip art, we've got trending now, boho beach clip art, summer fruit illustrations, sunflower field set. We've got evergreen bestsellers, butterfly and floral bundle, watercolor rainbow set, moon phase clip art. So you've got some ideas there already. Now you could take these, if you were creating a junk journal kit, come into the JunkJournal Studio and you can go to the niche finder. You can put that niche in here so that you can, if it were a junk journal kit, you can niche down further on that particular niche. So then it gives you suggested next product. So consider creating a seasonal mega bundle. Take your 3 best-selling clip art sets and combine them into a value bundle. So you get little tips like that as well. Okay guys, so that's all that this video was about. So it is the Bloom and Sell Etsy planner for people, you know, who sell on Etsy. Whether you've got one shop or multiple shops, it's going to help keep you organized. Okay, and if you want to find out more about my digital design club, my links are all in the description box below. So thanks very much guys for watching, and I'm going to see you very, very soon. Thank you. Bye bye.